Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
How are you today?
I'm fantastic, thank you.
Today, we have something very special.
Yes, this is our most practical episode ever.
We're going to teach you 100 useful sentences.
100 sentences.
These are sentences you can use every single day.
Every day.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, why did we choose exactly 100 sentences?
Great question.
That's a lot of sentences.
It is, but here's the thing.
Tell me.
These 100 sentences cover almost all daily situations.
That's amazing.
You don't need thousands of sentences to communicate.
Really?
No. Just these 100 sentences give you a strong foundation.
I've seen this with my students.
What have you noticed?
When they learn these sentences, their confidence grows so much.
That's wonderful.
They can go to work, go shopping, make friends.
All with these 100 sentences.
I have a student named Jin.
Yes,
He learned 10 sentences per week.
10 per week.
Yes! After 10 weeks, he knew all 100 sentences.
And how did that change things for him?
He told me his life became so much easier.
I love that.
He could communicate in almost any daily situation.
See, 100 sentences is powerful.
So we have 10 categories.
10 categories, 10 sentences each.
Perfect. Let's start with category 1.
Morning greetings and routines.
Everyone needs these sentences in the morning.
Ready? Here we go.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How did you sleep?
Did you sleep well?
I slept great.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Time to wake up.
Have a good day.
Those are your 10 morning sentences.
Use these every single morning.
With your family, with coworkers, with friends.
Simple and friendly.
Okay. Category 2.
This is so important.
What is it?
Polite expressions.
Oh, yes. Being polite is essential.
These sentences show respect.
And people appreciate politeness.
My students who use these sentences make friends so quickly.
I believe it.
Ready for 10 polite expressions.
Let's go.
Please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
May I help you?
That's very kind.
After you.
Have a nice day.
Those are essential.
Use them many times every day.
They open doors and hearts.
Beautiful. Category 3 coming up.
Asking for help.
This is so important.
Everyone needs help sometimes.
Even native speakers.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to ask.
I remember my student Maria.
What happened?
It was her first day at a new job.
That can be scary.
Yes, but she knew these sentences.
Good.
She asked for help when she needed it, and everyone was so friendly.
Perfect. Let's teach these sentences.
Can you help me?
I need help.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
Please speak slowly.
What does this mean?
How do I do this?
Can you show me?
Where is the bathroom?
I'm lost.
These sentences solve problems.
People want to help you.
Just ask.
Now, category 4.
At work or school?
Students and workers need these every day.
These are professional but friendly.
Ready?
I have a question.
I don't know.
Let me check.
I'll do it now.
When is the deadline?
Can I leave early today?
I'm working on it.
I finished it.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good weekend.
Perfect for any workplace.
Or any classroom.
Use these to build professional relationships.
Category 5 is next.
Shopping and restaurants.
These are survival sentences.
You need these for daily life.
Going to the supermarket. Going to a cafe.
Essential.
Here they are.
How much is this?
I'd like to buy this.
Do you have this in blue?
Can I try this on?
I'll take it.
Can I have the bill?
Table for two, please.
I'd like to order.
Can I have water, please?
This is delicious.
Shopping is easy with these sentences.
No stress, no worry.
Just clear, simple English.
We're halfway through.
50 sentences done.
50 more to go.
You're doing great.
Category 6.
Asking questions.
Questions help you learn.
Questions help you connect with people.
Never be shy to ask.
These are friendly conversation starters.
Here we go.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
Do you speak English?
How old are you?
What time is it?
Where do you live?
What's this called?
How do you say this?
Can I ask you something?
These questions start conversations.
These questions make friends.
Ask away.
Category 7 is coming.
Feelings and opinions.
Now we express ourselves.
Show your personality.
Share how you feel.
Be honest and authentic.
People want to know the real you.
Let's learn these.
I like it.
I don't like it.
I love this.
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I think so.
I agree.
I'm not sure.
That's interesting.
These show who you are.
Don't be afraid to express yourself.
Category 8.
Making plans and appointments.
This is for your social life.
Making friends needs these sentences.
Staying in touch with people.
Building relationships.
These are so useful.
Are you free tomorrow?
What are you doing tonight?
Let's meet at 6.
I can't today.
Maybe next time.
That sounds good.
See you later.
Call me tomorrow.
I'll text you.
Let's keep in touch.
Perfect for making plans.
Your social life will grow.
Just 3 more categories.
We're almost there.
Category 9.
Phone and communication.
In our modern world, these are essential.
Phone calls, emails, messages.
You need these.
Let's learn them.
Hello, this is Tom.
Can I speak to Lucy?
Just a moment, please.
I'll call you back.
Can you hear me?
Send me a message.
I got your email.
Talk to you soon.
Thanks for calling.
Goodbye.
Clear communication.
Professional and friendly.
Last category.
Number 10.
Evening and goodbyes.
End your day positively.
Say goodbye nicely.
People remember your last words.
So true.
Here are the final 10 sentences.
Good evening.
How was your day?
I had a great day.
I'm going home now.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Take care.
Drive safely.
Goodbye.
That's 100 sentences.
100 useful sentences for every day.
Amazing.
You did so well listening to all of them.
Now, how should people practice these?
That's a very important question.
Don't try to learn all 100 at once.
No, that's too much.
Here's what I tell my students.
What do you tell them?
Learn 10 sentences per week.
10 per week?
Yes, just 10.
That's very manageable.
In 10 weeks, you'll know all 100 sentences.
That's brilliant.
Start with category 1 this week.
Morning greetings.
Practice those 10 sentences every day for 1 week.
Next week, learn category 2.
But still review category 1.
Yes, always review old sentences while learning new ones.
Exactly.
How should people practice each day?
Write them in a notebook.
Yes, writing helps you remember.
Say them out loud.
This is so important.
Don't just read them silently.
Speak them.
And here's the best tip.
What is it?
Use them in real life.
Yes.
If you learn good morning, say it to people in the morning.
If you learn thank you, use it when someone helps you.
Real practice is the best practice.
I have a student named Anna.
Tell us about her.
She learned 10 sentences every week, just like we said.
Good.
But she did something special.
What did she do?
Every day, she tried to use all her new sentences in real situations.
Smart.
At first, it was difficult.
Of course.
But after a few weeks, it became natural.
Wonderful.
Now she uses English confidently every single day.
That's what we want for all of you.
You can do this too.
Let's quickly review the 10 categories.
Great idea.
Category 1, morning greetings.
Category 2, polite expressions.
Category 3, asking for help.
Category 4, at work or school.
Category 5, shopping and restaurants.
Category 6, asking questions.
Category 7, feelings and opinions.
Category 8, making plans.
Category 9, phone and communication.
Category 10, evening and goodbyes.
10 categories.
100 sentences.
Complete daily English.
You have everything you need.
Start today.
Choose category 1.
Write those 10 sentences.
Practice them out loud.
Use them tomorrow morning.
Then next week, learn 10 more.
Be patient with yourself.
Learning takes time.
But these 100 sentences will change your English life.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
Great job today.
You listen to 100 sentences.
That's amazing.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.